if you have this application on your mobile phone which is called Canva, and you're not running this particular online business which I'm about showing you right now, then you are missing a whole lot. And most of you design a lot of things on Canva, from magic layers to presentation to social media posts, videos, documents. What if I told you there is a particular website which is willing to buy every single design you've already been designing on Canva? The best part is that you can actually handle this with just your mobile phone and internet connection. And the best part is that this is not really saturated. I'm also going to be revealing the name of this website in this same video as we proceed. This guy is selling his own Canva design. This is the price he's selling it. You can see this particular guy right here is also selling his own. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it right away. For you to get started with this very strategy, what you need to do is simply log into your Canva. Okay, if you go to my Canva homepage, you're going to see these are my recent designs. Okay, when I come out to this session, I can actually click on this particular design. I can change every single details you can see on this very page. Okay, you can see this is editable. This particular stuff right here is editable. I can change the write-up from here, okay, and also change this particular one right here. Okay, I can also change the image. Okay, let's say I want to remove this particular image, then change another one. I can remove it and add another one. Okay, so if I want to bring it back, I can bring it back. Okay, this particular stuff right here has actually become my own template and design. Okay, so this is my template. If you go to my Facebook page right here, this is my Facebook page. If you click on this photo section right here, you're going to see these are the same designs. You can see these are the same design that appears in several posts of mine, right? You can see with different images, the write-up change. So if you go back to this very section, you can see right here, these are also designs right here. We have a lot of designs right here. Likewise, you that is watching this video right now, if you've ever done something on Canva, whether you're a pro or amateur, there is something you have on your Canva that this particular website is willing to buy from you. This is what it says right here. On this website, they have a lot of stuff they want to buy from you. Okay, so on this section, they can buy font from you, they can buy template from you. Okay, and under this template, if you go to softwares, they are willing to buy your Canva template, as you can see right here. For you to start selling this, first of all, you have to simply decide the type of stuff you want to sell. First thing to do is totally explore the stuff that sells best on this video website. Okay, so if you know the stuff that sells best, you'll be able to create it on your Canva. And right now, currently, the stuff that sells best on this video website are basically YouTube thumbnail template, Instagram carousel template. You can sell Pinterest pin template. All right, this is going to simply be like a combination of different Pinterest design in one particular pack. Okay, it could be 50 Pinterest pin template, it could be 100, it could be 500. What you need to do is simply make it at least from 20 and above. Right, and it's not really complicated. The only thing that is required of you is to make sure that this design is coming from you. It is yours. All right, let's say for instance I want to sell YouTube thumbnail template to a lot of people that want to start creating YouTube thumbnail, but they don't have time for the design and a lot more. This particular website right here has combination of people who doesn't want to spend time on Canva, who doesn't want to spend time creating this design by themselves. They want to buy it from you that have already spent your time creating them. Right, so what you need to do right now is simply fall back to your Canva. Okay, so let's say for instance this is my Canva right here. This is my Canva homepage, and I have different thumbnails right here, and I want to sell it out to the next person. The only thing the person needs to do is to change my picture to his own or her own, then change the write-up. Okay, if this is my design, so you can see this is my Canva design, and if I click on this image right here, if I click on this image, I can move it, I can remove this particular image, I can change this text. What I need to do right now is simply turn this particular template right now to a 50 page. Okay, for instance this is page 1, and if you scroll down you're going to see another template which is another thumbnail. Okay, and this one is page 2. You can see all of these designs, all of this stuff right here are all editable. Okay, I can edit them, I can remove this particular gradient. You can see this is a gradient right here, so you cannot actually see this type of thumbnail on Canva just like that. Like if you go to Canva, you see something that has been designed there like this for you. No, you have to actually design this by yourself. Okay, then what I need to do is to add another page in that same master template. Okay, so click on this page right here. You can see another page has been opened for me, but I won't start designing a new thumbnail again because I've already created different thumbnails. Okay, so I want to actually add another thumbnail. Remember, each of these thumbnail, this guy can actually edit them. Okay, he can remove my picture. You can see this is my picture right here. He can remove my picture and add his own. Right, so what I need to do is come over to this very section right here. Let's say I want to actually add another one. Let's say I want to add this one right here. Open it, click on one of these, then click on Ctrl A. All right, then copy everything. Okay, so once you copy, then come back to this very page, make sure you paste it here. All right, then click on the paste button, allow it to load. Okay, so the next thing to do right now is simply add another page. Okay, from here you've already added another page, then come back to this very page right here. Remember, we are working on YouTube template. Okay, so this is the same strategy if you want to create Pinterest template or maybe Instagram carousel and a lot more. Okay, let's try to copy another thumbnail. Let's say we want to go with this one right here. So if I open this one, so you can see right here we have different stuff, and all of this stuff are all editable. I can remove it, I can remove this one, I can remove my picture, I can remove the one at the back, I can remove this one, I can remove this one, right? All right, so these are just strategies. Remember, I came up with this particular thumbnail idea, I came up with the idea, and the idea is what these people are actually paying for. Okay, they are paying for the idea, your time, and also your creativity. All right, yeah, let's go ahead and copy everything. Click on Ctrl A. You can see once you click on Ctrl A, this will be marked for you. Everything here will be marked. Okay, click on the copy button right here, then paste it right here. Okay, so remember, this is the second one here, this is the first one, second one, third one, then we'll paste this one right here. Alright, so you can see right here the thumbnail has been added, everything is editable right here. That is 4 thumbnail. Now we can do it like over and over again till we get to 50 or 20 or 10 or more. All right, you can do it for 100. all right, so what you need to do is simply take your time to do this by yourself. All right, so let's say I want to add another one. Let's say I want to add this one right here I used to design this good novel. You can see all of these templates right here were all done by me. All right, so I'm not really a good graphic designer. Most of the times my team handle all of this stuff. Okay, but I am just going to show you these simple ones that I've already designed. All right, so I don't really know whether it's cool, but I know it's cool. All right, so what I need to do is actually go ahead and highlight everything the way we did it before. You can see everything has been selected automatically. Okay, so what I need to do is simply copy all of them. Click on this copy button. All right, so once you copy it, come back to this very section right here, then click on add new page, then paste it here. Okay, so this is just the strategy to do this yourself. Okay, I believe you've gotten something from this very video. How do I now sell it, or how do I export it so that people can actually use it? Okay, when you export it like this, when you export it, another person who is using Canva can click on that link automatically. This link will now log the person to a page like this, where the person is going to see all of these things the way it is right here in his or her own account. Okay, the person will be able to click on this and remove or add his own image. Okay, so that is what template is all about. So what I need to do right now is to simply go ahead and click on the share button. Okay, so let's say for instance we've already gotten like 50. Click on the share button right now. You click on this section right here that says template link. Okay, so this is the link right here. Then you click on this create template. Okay, all right, so automatically this will be created for you. You can see right here link has been created. Then we have to simply click on the copy. So I'm going to go to another browser. Okay, this is the link here. You can see where this has been created. This is a thumbnail template, it has been designed. So what we need to do right now is simply click on the view button right here. Automatically it's going to simply take the user to their account. This is basically how you can actually design your template. All right, for you to set it right now, what you need to do is simply come over to this very website, creativemarket.com. you go to this section right here that says join or you log in. Okay, I'm going to simply use a new account for this. You can actually know how it works. Okay, so once you log into a new account, like if you already created your account right now, what you need to do is simply click on this button right here that says open a shop. All right, so click on it. You have to simply add your shop details. Okay, the next thing to do right now is simply add the details of your product. Okay, so we're going to simply use DeepSeek. Come back to DeepSeek. So let's click on this, copy this. Then for the product title, we're going to add this YouTube thumbnail pack. So I'm going to simply use this as the featured image, then open it. You can see it right here. Okay, come over to this section where you can add your description. Let's go back to, then copy this. Okay, then come back here, paste it here. they're going to simply ask you, was this product or one of its key features primarily created using generative AI tools? I'm going to simply tell them pure no, because we created this ourselves. Okay, so I didn't use AI to create this. I don't like using AI for product and all of that. Okay, and that's going to simply make your product quality, all right, so that people can be able to buy and buy again. All right, so your search engine listing, this is how it is going to simply appear on Google. Okay, so remember, this particular listing is going to simply appear on Google, and that's going to simply give you higher traffic stream, so you can actually get more sales. Okay, they say you can go ahead and upload the template. Okay, this is a link. Okay, you cannot upload the link. Please come back to this very page right here. You can see the link, copy it again, then go to another page on Canva. Make sure you import text here, then title it download. Make sure it's bold. Then I want the color to be blue, okay, so that it will look like a link. Okay, so we're gonna simply change it to blue. Link right here, click on link, then enter a link. You can see this is our link here, then click on done. Automatically this has already turned to a link. Okay, so click on the share button, then we're going to simply select the type of file we want. Okay, export it as PDF, then fall back to this very section right here. Click on this page, then open that PDF, go to download. This is the PDF here, that's the download template now. Then click on open. You can see right here, it is here now. Go ahead and add your price. You can see right here, these are the suggested price range. Okay, so leave it the way it is. Then for the tag, then scroll down here, come back to this very section right here. We're going to simply copy these tags here, copy this, come back here, paste it here. Okay, you have to click on the done button, then click on the next. This has been created and our shop is ready right now, looking good. Thank you for sharing your details. Then click on this submit button. Automatically they're going to simply verify your store and list your product on this very home page. Okay, the best part, you can create multiple Canva templates in different categories for Pinterest, for Instagram, for YouTube, for TikTok, for X, and lot more. The more templates you list, the high tendency of you getting buyers, getting people that will actually buy from you. And with this, you're going to simply get more buyers that will buy from you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. If you have a video idea you want me to make, just let me know in the comment section so you can actually carry it on. Welcome to the community.